Tinnitus cure, tips to manage and get tinnitus relief. Have you ever had a constant ring in your ears? It's called tinnitus, and while there's no tinnitus cure, there are several treatments that can bring relief. Do you have trouble sleeping at night or even concentrating because of the constant noise? The noises in your ears are more than likely a symptom of stress, a sinus problem, or even trauma to the head. Exposure to very loud noises can cause ringing in your ears and can also result in hearing loss. Other medical conditions, such as high blood pressure, allergies, or thyroid problem, can also trigger ringing in your ears. There are homeopathic methods to manage and treat the problem and get relief. Acupuncture helps to greatly reduce, if not eliminate, the noise in your ears. Regular treatments of acupuncture are advised and are relatively painless. Taking herbal supplements like ginkgo biloba is a natural tinnitus cure for helping with mental stress and helps reduce dizziness and hearing loss. Try taking a multivitamin supplement every day. I would take vitamin A, vitamin B complex, and choline. These vitamins are essential for your body to function, and while they aren't a tinnitus cure, they will help, over time, to provide relief. Avoid alcohol, dairy products, foods with high sugar content, and foods with saturated fat, as they only enhance the problem. Eating lots of fresh fruits and vegetables will help to aid in a tinnitus cure. Reducing the amount of stress in your life can be done with relaxation exercises like yoga or meditation. Just an hour a day doing these types of exercises can greatly reduce your stress. These exercises do not make you work up a sweat, they just relax your body and help to get rid of all the excess energy running through your body. Purchasing a hearing aid to eliminate background noise can greatly reduce the ringing in your ears. Most people associate hearing aids with a loss of hearing, but they can also aid in finding a tinnitus cure. All these treatments are readily available in your grocery store, drugstore, or health food store, with the exception of a hearing aid. You will need to contact an audiologist so that the hearing aid can be fit to your ear. Dealing with constant noise can affect your daily life, but by doing simple things, as stated above, you will soon be on your way to relief. If you need more information, visit our website. Here, you'll find the most powerful natural treatment for tinnitus that exists, and really works. Just click the link in description.